Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If it's in seeing, basically what this is a body wash product, and it's by the brand right here, Jason. So I believe this brand's been around since 1959, if you can see right here. And they have a lot of different flavors in terms of the actual body wash itself. But they also have like hand lotions or like hand soap or whatever, which is pretty awesome as well. But the one that I have right here is the rose water body wash. They have other flavors as well, such as I believe like aloe, lavender, tea tree, and other stuff as well. I didn't hear too much good things about the tea tree, but this one I actually like a lot. I'm planning to try out like the lavender and aloe eventually, but I've actually been using this product for quite some time now and actually really like it a lot. Like the smell of the actual product itself smells really good, and when you guys apply it onto your skin, it actually feels really nice and it smells amazing. And this is not just for girls, like guys can use this as well if you guys want to. Like when I first saw this, I was kind of hesitant about buying this and trying it out, but after buying it, I don't regret it at all. It actually smells amazing regardless if you're a guy or girl. If you guys are wondering what they use on here, they actually mention ingredients right there in the front part right there. So they use rose water extract, vitamin E, and provitamin B5, and pretty much it's supposed to help refresh and nourish your skin by using those ingredients on the actual product itself. And they also mention on the bottom part right here of what they don't use or what they don't have in here, if you guys are wondering about that as well. But let me actually go try this out and show you guys what it actually looks like when you actually apply it onto your skin and everything. So obviously I'm not gonna go shower and show you guys myself using it, but I'm gonna apply some on my hand to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe what it smells like to you guys really quick. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have my product right here. Let's try it out. So I'm going to turn the water first, get it wet. Alright, so I'm going to squirt a little bit of this onto my hand. So this is basically what the texture looks like, and see, when you guys smell it, you definitely smell a lot of like the rose flavor to it. So when we smooth it out, this is basically what it looks like, if you guys can see. And once you guys turn on the water to kind of wash it off, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It actually feels really nice. Comes out really nicely, and you definitely feel a lot more clean after using the product itself. It definitely feels amazing, but also smells amazing as you guys are washing it. Like the rose smell goes everywhere throughout the room. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it actually looks amazing and feels amazing. I definitely love like the texture or the feeling of the actual product itself. It feels really nice. But what I really like about the product itself is the smell of the ingredients that they put in here. It smells really good, especially since I love the rose smell to it. It makes it that much better for me. They actually have a lot of different flavors for you guys to choose from if you guys don't like the rose one. But if you guys don't like any of the other flavors that they have as well, then this product is probably not the one for you guys. But now that we did a quick test of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously this product is a little bit pricey, but in my opinion, I would definitely have to say that it's worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are willing to pay a little bit more for like a premium quality product, then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have